Today's lesson is all about sizing up duration. Remember pitch and duration? Pitch about how high and low a sound is, and duration, how long or short a sound is. Today we're talking about duration. I was going to do this video laying down in the leaves outside because it's beautiful autumn leaves all over, but since it's raining, let's jump into some duration. As we continue to talk and learn about duration, I'm going to bring in some colors to the screen here. There's a green line, a blue, an orange, and purple line. Each of these lines is a different color. You've already noticed that, and actually you've probably noticed something else, haven't you? You've noticed that the purple line is twice as long as the orange line, that the orange line is twice as long as the blue line, and the blue line is twice as long as the green line. Now for our video today, these lines, these colors are going to represent sounds. So the purple sound is the longest sound, and the green sound is the short sound. I also want to bring up something else that's pretty interesting here. If I bring in another orange line, you'll notice that the two orange lines together are just as long as one purple line. Pretty cool. Now, I'm going to bring in another blue line here. Notice that those two blue lines are just as long as one of the orange lines. And then if I bring in two more blue lines, all four of those blue lines together are just as long as one purple line. Continuing to the green, if I bring another green in, those two green are just as long as one blue. And four green lines are just as long as one orange line. Let's bring in four more green lines. All 8 of those green lines together are just as long as one purple line. That's pretty interesting. As we talk more now, let's get rid of some of these lines and just keep these two. I'm going to move these two green lines over next to the blue line. And we're going to notice that the blue line is the longer line. Okay? And then the green line is short compared to the blue line, so let's call it short. And then the next green line is short, just like the first one. They're both the same. So if I were going to use these colors to say a rhythm, I would say long, short, short. Did you notice that because the blue shape is longer, the sound I said on the word long has to be longer? I can't say long because that's a short sound. The blue line's longer, so I have to say long. And then the green lines are shorter, so the sound I say for each one is short. Long, short, short. Can you say that with me? Ready? Go. Long, short, short. One more time. Here we go. Long, short, short. Good. Now, in music, we don't say long and short. We'll use some other sounds for now. The long sound we're going to call ta. Okay? And just like saying long, we have to say ta. We can't say ta because that's a short sound. Our ta needs to sound longer. And then the short sounds we'll call t. Okay? The first short sound is a t. The second short sound is a t. So if I say this rhythm, a ta, then a t, and then a t, saying the ta longer, and the t's shorter, my rhythm now sounds like this. Ta, ti, ti. Ta, ti, ti. Try it with me. Ready, go. Ta, ti, ti. Good. So we'll use the tas and tt's, get rid of the long and short. All right. Let's say this rhythm here. A little different from the last one. We have a ta, tt, a ta, and another ta. All right? I'm going to say it. You might want to try it with me the first time, or you can just listen the first time and we can try it together. If you want to try it with me right away, let's begin. Ta, tt, ta, ta. Now, we didn't quite start exactly together, did we? So I think what we'll do is I'll count off first. I'll say 1, 2, ready, go, and then we'll start saying our rhythm together. That way we know when to start. Let's give it a try. 1, 2, ready, go. Ta, ti, ti, ta, ta. How did you do? All right. If you tried it with me, good. If you were waiting to hear it first before you try it, join in now. Let's try it again. 1, 2, ready, go. Ta, ti, ti, ta, ta. All right, we're saying rhythms. Rhythms are when we take different durations and put them into patterns to make them sound interesting. Let's try another one. I'm going to change this up here. There's a new pattern of tas and ts. Let's try it together. I'll count off again. 1, 2, ready, go. And then we'll say it together. 1, 2, ready, go. Ti, ti, ta, ti, ti, ta. This rhythm starts with the short T sounds first. So we have to be ready for those. Let's try it again. 1, 2, ready, go. Ti, ti, ta, ti, ti, ta. All right, good. Let's try another one. We have a TT and then another TT. 4 short sounds in a row, and then 2 longer sounds, ta and ta. Let's give it a try. 1, 2, ready, go. Ti, 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 ta, ta. Yeah, we have ti, 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 ti first, and then ta, ta. Let's try it again. 1, 2, ready, go. Ti, 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 ta, ta. Good job. Now, we can make our rhythms longer by adding more durations than just a few. Ooh, there's a whole bunch. We've got a top row, and then as soon as we're done on the top row, we're going to jump down and go to the next row, just like you're reading one line in a book and then jumping down to the next. So we start off with ta, ti, ti, ta, ta, and then jump to the second line, ta, ta, ti, ti, ta. And when we put them together, it will sound ta, ti, ti, ta, 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 ti, ti, ta. Let's try it. 1, 2, ready, go. Ta, ti, ti, ta, 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 ti, ti, ta. How did you do? Let's try it one more time. 1, 2, ready, go. Ta, ti, ti, ta, 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 ti, ti, ta. Good job. That's just a quick introduction to our duration rhythms. We call that saying rhythms, and we use ta and tt today. We'll add some more coming up in the future, but that's enough for today. Please remember to click on Get Credit so you can get credit for this lesson.